Okay, hey you guys. So this was not intended to be a voiceover. This was supposed to be added into a vlog, but I decided to just make this its own video. So I'm doing a DIY featuring Dollar Tree products, all Dollar Tree products, for my mini perfume stand. Well, I actually made 3 DIY perfume stands, and all of them came out super cute. This is definitely an inexpensive way to make your own perfume tray stand, however you want to say it. And I think this came out super cute the way I did this one. Now, these acrylic trays that I showed you in this video are much better than the silver trays that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. I think that these hold a lot better, especially for my bigger size perfumes. Like this acrylic really is good and sturdy. I did use the E6000. This project took literally 35 minutes, if that. I did, you know, I wouldn't say rush it, but for me, I didn't take my time. So if you're into, taking your time and actually paying attention to detail, when I tell you, girl, like you can create some stuff, like you could create some stuff with Dollar Tree products. Like, so I'm super happy that I was able to create this because I've been getting into perfumes, and not to mention I am going to do a perfume, I guess, not haul, but a perfume collection video. So everything is pretty much self-explanatory. What I'm showing you is pretty much how I did everything. This is super easy, and like I said, it's quick. Less than 35 minutes it took me, and I just love how it came out. This diamond wrap from Dollar Tree is the truth. Like, girl, it is so pretty. Like, it caught my attention. So I really wanted to add it to this tray. Like I said, later on in the video, I'm going to show you that I actually made 3 trays. And this was my third one. And I think that this one is my favorite. Only because I really enjoy the acrylic trays versus the silver serving trays, and all of these are in the serving section in Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is super cute, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And comment down below, subscribe, click that bell to be notified every time I upload. Like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already. So here's the final reveal of my perfume tray. I love it. It's so cute. I think it came out really, really pretty. I just love it so much. So these are going to be used for my bigger size perfumes since they hold a lot sturdier. Since the tray is a lot sturdier, but these are the serving trays that I was talking about, the silver ones, and these are my original ones that I had made. I'm just going to use it for my mini perfumes. But these are super cute as well. Like, so you can really customize it and make it your own.